the sun rises high, in the land of the free where the eagles fly. Shut down Babylon with the fire in our eyes. No more tears where the rivers run dry. Hearts beat strong like the drums in the night, under the moon where the stars shine bright. Love is the answer, holds us tight. In the struggle for justice we'll unite. Peace and love, it's the Rastaman way. Let's heal the world, make a brighter day. From the hills to the valleys, let the children play. With the spirit of Jah we won't sway. Roots and culture lift us higher, in the smoke of the holy fire. Living true with no desire, faithful walk never tire. Wisdom grows like the herbs of the earth, in each soul from the moment of birth. Truth and rights, we know our worth. In unity we find the rebirth. Peace and love, it's the Rastaman way. Let's heal the world, make a brighter day. From the hills to the valleys, let the children play. With the spirit of Jah we won't sway. Peace and love, it's the Rastaman way. Let's heal the world, make a brighter day. From the hills to the valleys, let the children play. With the spirit of Jah we won't sway. Peace and love, it's the Rastaman way. Let's heal the world, make a brighter day. From the hills to the valleys, let the children play. With the spirit of Jah we won't sway.
Let the love flow like the sea. Peace and justice we proclaim. Rastafari guide the flame. Babylon won't hold us down. In our hearts the truth is found. With the rhythm of the drum, one love shared by everyone. Peace, love, justice in our hand. Together we shall proudly stand. Rasta culture can't be tamed. With Jah's power we are named. Roots grow deep within our soul. Harmony will make us whole. Under stars we'll raise our song. Right the hurt and heal the wrong. Brothers, sisters, side by side. In the light where fears collide, unity will pave the way for a brighter golden day. Peace, love, justice in our hand. Together we shall proudly stand. Rasta culture can't be tamed. With Jah's power we are named. So high, with your love burning bright, no need to sigh. Breaking chains of Babylon, we feel so free. In the land of Zion, there's peace for you and me. Lions roar, echoed in the hills so grand. With dreadlocks flowing strong, we firmly stand. Red, gold, and green, our colors never fade. In unity we march, no need for shade. Oh, I say peace, love, justice, kingdom, light brighter than the sun. Smoke of incense rising all around, chanting hymns of freedom with a sacred sound. Drums beat like thunder, hearts in time. In this Rasta rhythm we find the divine. Oh, children of Zion, let your spirit soar. With love as our compass, we open every door. In the face of struggle, we hold our ground. For the roots of righteousness are always found. Oh, I say peace, love, justice we demand. From every mountain top to every grain of sand, Rastafari calling us to stand as one. In Jah kingdom, light brighter than the sun. Justice we demand. From every mountain top to every grain of sand, Rastafari calling us to stand as one. In Jah kingdom, light brighter than the sun. Brighter than the sun. Everywhere, stand up for justice, let your spirit free. Rastafari calling in the roots of trees. Hear the drums pounding, heartbeats of the land. Love is the answer, it's simple and grand. Whispers of wisdom in the evening breeze. Unity brightens like the shining seas. Pave the righteous way, truth in the lyrics every night and day. Feel the bass line sync with beats from the soul. Harmony, the destination, let it roll. One love forever under the same sun. Spread the word together, we all are one. Let the music flow. In the name of Zion, let your heart glow. Mountains and rivers guide us through the night. Stars in the heavens shining pure light. March for the future with love in our hand. Rastafari leading us across the land. Under the same sun, spread
together, we all are one. Lift up your voices, let the music flow. In the name of Zion, let your heart glow. One love forever under the same sun. Spread the word together, we all are one. Lift up your voices, let the music flow. In the name of Zion, let your heart glow. Let your heart glow. Let your heart glow.
Yeah, man. One love, let the good vibes flow. Feel the rhythm. In the heart of Zion, where the lion roams free. Peace and love's the anthem, roots growing like a tree. From the mountains high to the rivers wide and free. Justice